Good morning. This is day 2 of the toolbox build for the truck. So I got all the plywood cut last night, and the 2x4 is also cut to length. We used the solar generator yesterday. It was really cold out, so I didn't have the panels hooked up. With the solar generator, I made 17 cuts on the plywood, 1,097 inches. And then I cut 6 2x4s with 1 cut. And I'm at 50-some%. Not sure if you're able to see it. Let's see. I'm at 54%. So today I'm going to hook up all the panels, and we'll charge that while we're doing the rest of our cuts. So I got the panels hooked up. They're laying flat on the ground right now, and we're charging at 159 watts. Now I got the panels tipped up. I get a better angle from the sun. We should have more power. And I have 305 watts now. It's almost twice the power. And we started filming at 9:46. So we'll see how long it takes to charge. It's 10:25 right now, so it's about 40 minutes. And it says we're at 100%. Still bringing in 230 watts. Probably if I unplugged it, it might drop in percentage, so we'll leave it plugged in so it gets a good top off.